So आज आम डिस्कशन करिबा एई जो प्रोक्योरमेंट होउची या what are the procurement happens in the industry, how it is linked to each other, means the process, the flow, how it goes. एमती नाही जे मु जे कोनोसी मेटल त नै आसीबी जेतळे नाही सेतळे नाही आसीबी ना मो रिक्वायरमेंट हेले तो मानिबी करेक्ट
Yes, sir.
रिक्वायरमेंट हबो तळे मु तो प्रॉपर्ली ताको प्लानिंग करबी ना सेमती नाही जे मु मोर रिक्वायरमेंट अछि मोर फॉर एन एग्जांपल मोर फ्रीज रो कैपेसिटी होउची आई कैन स्टोर अप टू 10 to 20 kg ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स राइट मु मार्केट को गली सस्ता अछि बोली नै आसीबी 50-60 kg परिवा नै आसीबी वेजिटेबल्स मु मार्केट रो नै आसली विल माय फ्रीज या रेफ्रिजरेटर मोर जोटा घर अछि विल दैट एक्सपांड टू कैरी और
No,
टू
sir.
स्टोर ऑफ द वेजिटेबल्स
No, sir.
no obviously no that means I would definitely start with proper planning right
Yes, sir.
from the requirement it turns to the planning मु रिक्वायरमेंट जानली जे मोर जिंस कोन दरकार so it starts with मोर रिक्वायरमेंट फर्स्ट जानली मोर कोन दरकार this is what we call material requirement माने मोर जो एफजी फिनिश गुड्स जो प्रोडक्शन करबा पई ता दर कोन कोन रॉ मटेरियल हरका दरकार या पैकिंग मटेरियल दरकार या ट्रेडिंग मटेरियल दरकार ट्रेडिंग मटेरियल डोंट टेक इट एट दिस मोमेंट आई विल कम टू the detail gradually let's consider only raw material and packing material for my production तो এই जो दीटा मटेरियल टाइप या এই जो टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल वी विल यूज टू प्रोड्यूस आवर फिनिश गुड्स ओके सो दैट इज माय रिक्वायरमेंट प्लानिंग मते केतेटा रॉ मटेरियल दरकार को टाइप रो पैकिंग मटेरियल दरकार करेक्ट पैकिंग मटेरियल आल्सो मल्टीपल हे पारे फॉर मो एग्जांपल कोका कोला इंडस्ट्री हला जो हमर बॉटलिंग इंडस्ट्रीज अछि राइट सो बॉटलिंग इंडस्ट्री पैकिंग मटेरियल आर डिफरेंट कोन बॉटल किनु सुन से माने दे बाय बॉटल्स आल्सो द साइज ऑफ बॉटल्स 20 ml 40 ml हाफ लीटर 1 लीटर क्लियर तो से माने फर्स्ट बॉटल भी किनुचंदी ता सहित बॉटल ऊपर कैप भी किनुचंदी इट्स नॉट ओनली द बॉटल दे आल्सो बाय कैप दैट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ योर पैकिंग मटेरियल अदरवाइज हाउ यू लक द बॉटल राइट
with stickers, sir.
sticker yes because they also promote their product cap then what else sticker then what else they also buy carrot जोदरे बॉटल ओडा फिक्स रहे कि नोटिस कर जो काचा बॉटल आसे से कोदर थाए
हाँ, sir, bottle stand.
एग्जैक्टली देखो ट्रे को आसे राइट
Yes, sir.
सो ट्रे आसे से ट्रे भी तो मु किनिबी ना नले मु बॉटल पैकिंग करी किन पठेबी मार्केट को कस्टमर पाखु से तो पहुंच पहुंच डैमेज हो जाइतबो करेक्ट पुनी ट्रे को एगेन पैक करबी कोदरे कार्टन बॉक्स रे कार्टून बॉक्स रे पैक करी राइट पुणी कार्टून बॉक्स को पैलेट रे पैक करी पैलेट कौन जानी ना नहीं जानना पैलेट कौन
Yes, sir.
पैलेट के देखी
Yes, sir. देखिए.
What is that?
ओके
Wooden
मु एबे देखौची पैलेट देखौची जस्ट सी व्हाट इज पैलेट होची कोन ना गोटे काठरे तयारी हितावा गोटे बॉक्स टी सी दिस वन
Yes,
कैन यू
sir.
सी इट
Like apple cartoon.
एप्पल कार्टून तो ये आपको कहते पैलेट कहते सो या भितर कौन हुए 20 pieces ऑफ ट्रे पसिबो सो इट कैरीज 20 pieces ऑफ ट्रे एंड 20 pieces ऑफ ट्रे सॉरी 20 pieces ऑफ कार्टून ओके पैलेट गला परे आसीबो कोन ना कार्टून्स आसीबो आमे बे तळ ऊपर को जीवा हाउ द लिंक इज हैपनिंग हियर यू अंडरस्टैंड इट सो गोटे पैलेट रे सपोज 20 कार्टून्स रहिला 20 कार्टून्स रे 10 टा ट्रे रहिला 10 टा ट्रे रे ए तीनटा मर्ज हिते ना काने गोटे बॉटल कैप और स्टिकर गोटे गोटे लागिथबो करेक्ट
Yes, sir.
10 टा कार्टून्स रे ईच कार्टून ने धरो 30 पीसेस रहिला ताने 10 टा कार्टून ने 300 पीसेस रहियो सो दिस इज हाउ द packing happens in the industry clear or now kichi questions achi do you have any questions at least to understand the concept of packing how packing happens
Yes, sir.
clear
Clear,
so
sir.
it has a pallet this is how it goes just giving an example means what type of packing material are we buying there is nothing directly linked to understand all these things but to make it very simple so that you understand what are the packing materials I am buying for my organization or to run my organization मु रॉ मेटेरियल तो ऑब्वियसली किनिबी रॉ मेटेरियल मोर बहुत सारा वेराइटीज रॉ मेटेरियल्स रहइबो डेफिनेटली गोटे एफएमसीजी हमरो Coca-Cola Industries for an examples number. So Coca-Cola will buy a lot of raw materials. They buy sugar, they buy carbonate water, they buy lot of things. Even essence also they buy. जोटा का हमको टेस्टी लगुची, झिम लगुची. हम कहूचे, right? ठंडा थिबा टाइम रे हम पीले हमको टेस्टी फील होची. So these are raw materials. How they can produce the end product of the material so that they can sell it to their customer. So now I'll just go to the topic. So जिते बेले गोटे FG रो requirement आसे, that means to produce one FG, we must have to have the proper plan of the materials are required to produce that. Correct? So That means it's a requirement, material requirement. From requirement, where it will go? It will create the requirement sheet, which we call purchase requisition. कि ना सुनिଛ और purchase requisition?
Yes, sir.
ଆମେ ରିକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ନା ଶୁଣିଛେ। ଫର ଏନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ, ଆମେ ଗଲେ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ଲଡ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କୁ, ବ୍ଲଡ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଯାଇ ଗୋଟେ ଥର ପଚାରିବ ଯେ ମତେ ଏଇ ଗ୍ରୁପ ର ବ୍ଲଡ ଦରକାର, ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଆସ୍କ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି where is the requisition sheet. That means to buy something you must have to have some requirement sheet which talks about what exactly are you looking for or what exactly are you looking to buy. Okay, so that is what called purchase requisition. And here in material requirement it is also embedded with the planning. ଯେମିତି କି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୋର material requirement ବୋଲି ଅଛି ତା ବୋଲି ମୁଁ 50 kg vegetables କିଣିକି ଆଣିବି ମୋର refrigerator ରେ store କରିବି। My refrigerator doesn't have that capability to store 50 kg of vegetables. It has a capability of max 10 to 20 kg, correct? That means there is a planning involved. So planning is hidden here, means it is indirectly linked. It is not directly seen to the purchasing area, but planning is of course engaged. Planning is also one part of your entire cycle. Without proper planning, how you will buy, how much you will buy, when you will buy, where you will buy, everything will come into the picture through planning. ତମେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖ, for an examples, କାଲି ନୂଆ clothes କିଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛ market କୁ, you definitely would have a plan कि ମୁଁ ଏଇ store କୁ ଯିବି, ମୁଁ ବିଶାଲ କୁ ଯାଇପାରେ, ମୁଁ ଆଲେନ୍ସୋଲି କୁ ଯାଇପାରେ या XYZ stores କୁ ଯାଇପାରେ, correct? That means you are planning for something. ତମ requirement ହଉଛି clothes, but to buy that clothes I will plan some where to go, when to go, and what is my budget, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so the planning is hidden in the entire process because planning makes the things accurate. How much you want, what you want, where do you need to buy, everything. That is your planning. So planning is something which plays a very vital role at the background. We'll gradually come to know when we'll go to SAP screens, when we'll go to exactly the configurations, the things. So until that, you understand what is the importance of planning. Any questions understanding the planning concept? Planning ର importance କ'ଣ? କିଛି doubt ଅଛି ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ?
No, sir.
Okay, so that means from the planning I get to know that what are the materials I need to buy, कि କୋଉ service ମୋର ବି ଦରକାର। Service will definitely discuss in very briefly कि service ର ବି importance କ'ଣ, but at this moment let's consider only material. Service will definitely have a very good sessions on the services. You'll know what is the real importance of buying services. Can I say intangible, but tar importance କ'ଣ? These are tangible assets where you can see, touch everything. But there are assets also. There are services also intangible, but their importance are very quite urgent or very important in any of the industries. Any of the industries, from banking to till hospital. Purchasing or purchase, sourcing and procurement exist in any industry you will go. जोठी हाथ लगे दो सेठी purchase होउथो मन होउथो. From Indian Railway to till the hospital industry, from banking to till school and colleges. That is how, or that is what the importance of purchase in our life, the sourcing and procurement in our life. Okay, so requirement of material, we will get to know that the requirement sheet, which is nothing but your purchase requisitions. You identify what exactly you need to buy, correct? From the requisition, it will go to whom? In the organization, it will go to the sourcing area. So what is sourcing area? This is a big thing to talk about. This is sourcing area. So sourcing area has multiple things. Means from purchase requisition, कि जेकोनोसी requisitions जेतले आसे, it will go to the team called sourcing team. In procurement language we call it as sourcing team. Means it's a group of buyer जो माने engage थांती to buy your product or to buy the product for the organizations. You know what is the buyer? The definition of buyer, जे purchase करे, purchaser कि जे किने. Again going back to the example, bottling industry या FMCG ର bottling industry जोटा ଆମେ ଏବେ କଥା होतले एई टॉपिक ऊपर. So who will buy bottle, who will buy caps, who will buy stickers, who will buy the tray, who will buy the raw material. So यहाँ पे गोटे dedicated person थाए, right, whom we call buyer. या buyer belong to the sourcing team. सी sourcing team रू belong करे, जहार responsibility होची जेतले end user याकु जे utilize करिवो, ई material को जे utilize करिवो in the production to produce that, सी जानिनी सी काटू किनिमो, सी जानिनी जे को क्वालिटी तार बस definition होची for requirement. He needs to get the material on time with on quality, right? So that he can engage that material to the production. But when he creates the requisition sheet, a purchase requisition, so somebody will be buying that item for him. Say item taku jone kine taku, ta behalf re jone kine, and we call him as a buyer of the organization. Kena siye hi jiye market research karibo, R&D karibo, ଯେ ସେଇ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ୍ସଟା କୋଉ ସପ୍ଲାୟର ସେଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାକୁ କୋଉ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଡିଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମାର୍କେଟରେ, ୟା କୋଉ ଟ୍ରେଡର ଅଛନ୍ତି ମାର୍କେଟରେ ଯିଏକି ସେଇ ସବୁ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ସେଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। କାହିଁକି ନା ଯିଏ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ କରେ, ଯିଏ ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ, ଦ ୱାନ୍ ହୁ ଇଜ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍, he doesn't or she doesn't know where should I go, where should I buy, କାହାଠୁ କିଣିବି, କିଏ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ସୋର୍ସ, ତାର କମର୍ସିଆଲ କଣ ଥିବ, ତାର ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ କେତେ ମାର୍କେଟରେ, he or she doesn't know at all. It is only be able to known by the buyer. କାହିଁକି ନା ବାୟର ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି ହଉଛି he or she will do the research and development in the market. They do the market research. They meet the supplier. They talk to the supplier. They negotiate with the supplier. Clear? Now I'll take a pause. Any questions so far understanding from the requirement of the material to till the sourcing team means we are reached to the buyer. Any questions so far? Sukanta, Ayush, Gyan, Pranav, all
No,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.